I am pretty low maintenance when it comes to my locks. A big part of why I got Sisterlocks years ago was to reduce the amount of time and energy I was spending on my hair. So I have a set of products that I've been using for years and love. And in this video, I want to show you what those products are and the accessories that I use at least once a week for styling, moisturizing, cleansing. I am going to show it all to you in this video. Hey friends, what's up? If you're new around here, I'm Latoya and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I talk about locks, obviously, travel, and lifestyle design. So if you're into any of those things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't chase hair trends or go crazy for the latest products. So much of my routine and the products that I use today are products that I've used from the beginning when I had 3 inches of hair. They've served me well, so I'm gonna stick with them. So let's get into the products I use, how I use them, and a little bit about why. And I will have links to everything I mentioned in the description in case you want to check them out. My number one favorite product that I use is one that I make myself and put in my trusty spray bottle. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I've talked about this, so I'm sorry if you're hearing this again, but I cannot live without this spray bottle. I even have the travel size one here. In these bottles, I have tap water, rose water, and a small amount of my favorite natural oils. I've experimented with different oils over the years, and grapeseed and avocado oils in this mix are my favorite. Both are light oils that never leave my hair feeling greasy, but they are super moisturizing. I spray my hair and scalp with this mixture every morning. Once a week, I add organic coconut oil to my scalp and to my hair. It really nourishes my hair and it just adds this subtle shine to my locks that I really love. And it prevents dryness. If ever my scalp feels dry, I just apply some coconut oil. Coconut oil plus my spray bottle is really the majority of my moisturizing routine. I don't use Jamaican castor oil every week. In fact, I haven't used this product in over a year, but I had to include it on this list because this is my go-to product if I'm ever experiencing hair thinning. That hasn't happened very often in the 10 years that I've had my Sisterlocks, but I definitely did experience it after I had my daughter with the normal postpartum shedding that happens, especially around my hairline started getting thin. I used this oil and it grew my hair back. Also, I use it when I lose a lock, which again hasn't happened very often, but I think 2 years ago I lost a lock. And just to promote hair growth in the spot where the lock fell out, I just dabbed this there for every day for like a month and the hair grew back. I only use this product when necessary because it is very thick, greasy, and messy, but it works. This Shea Moisture leave-in got added to my repertoire about 2 years ago. For years, I refused to put anything in my hair that was this creamy white color because I was afraid of buildup, and I still am. But my sister, who is a loctician, used this in my hair one time and I was in love and I've been obsessed with it ever since. The first thing that I love about it is the smell. The honey smell is to die for. The second thing is that it is a really good moisturizer. Like, it actually works and it leaves my locks feeling really soft and smelling so good, so I had to make the exception. I have been using this Herbal Essence Color Me Happy shampoo since about year 1 of my locks, I believe. It does not dry my hair out at all. It protects my color, which is super important to me because I've been coloring my hair for 9 years now and I don't want my shampoo to fade my color. And it's also super affordable. That big bottle I think is about $12. As my hair got longer, I started using this spray bottle as well. So I fill this up with maybe like a quarter shampoo, the rest water, and then I spray my hair just to make sure I'm getting all of the hair, all of my scalp and locks. I kind of use a spray bottle to help me on my first wash. So I wash my hair really well, wash that out, and then on the second wash, I just squirt this on my hand and do like a second wash. I struggled with finding the right hair ties as my hair got longer. Of course, there are so many different hair ties, but what I found was that so many of them that could contain my hair pulled at my scalp and just didn't feel comfortable. Plus, I don't want to put tension on my thin locks. But 2 years ago, I was in a foam party in Cancun and someone lent me this spiral hair tie, which I had never seen or used before, and I immediately fell in love. These ties are so comfortable. They stretch to whatever you need them to stretch to, whatever size, and then they shrink back down when you're done with them. And I think it's because of the way the spiral is, like my locks go in between and it just doesn't pull on my hair. These are the most comfortable hair ties I've ever used, and I have a lot of them. When I say I'm obsessed, I am literally obsessed. I love headbands. I have a whole collection of them. These were especially important to me in the beginning stages of my Sisterlocks when I didn't want to manipulate my hair too much, but I wanted to add a little style. I would just throw on a headband. And now as my hair has gotten longer, I love wearing them on those days where I just want to have my hair like out of my face. I just throw on a headband and I'm good to go. I didn't sleep with a bonnet or hair tie for years. I just didn't want to. I wanted my freedom. Again, a part of why I got locks was freedom. So I kind of refused in the beginning, but then around year 6, I started having a bit of a lint problem in the back of my hair. And I did everything to reduce the lint. I had it removed and it just kept coming back. And then finally my loctician was like to me, it's the one thing that you're resisting, which is you need to sleep with something on your head. So my friend made me this reversible satin bonnet, and ever since I started using this, I've had no issues. I also have a pillowcase for those nights where I really don't want to wear anything on my hair because somehow I'm still resistant to that. Another benefit to using a satin or silk hair tie or pillowcase is that it helps your hair to retain moisture. The newest addition to my collection is my microfiber hair towel. Before, I was using a regular towel after my wash to wrap my hair for an hour or so before I let it air dry, but those are heavy. This towel does the job but is way lighter and has this cute button system to close it all up. I absolutely love it. So those are my favorite go-to products that I use in my locks. You may have noticed I don't use edge control. I just let my edges be. I kind of brush them and just leave them. I also don't use conditioner in the wash. My moisturizing routine gives me all the moisture and conditioning that my hair needs. I give my hair what it wants and needs and really nothing more, and I spend that extra time on other parts of my life that are more important to me right now. I have links to all the products that I've mentioned in the description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Sisterlocks videos, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.